our recessed underbar station with drain board. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 24 inches in length and a depth of 22.5 inches. Overall height with legs, we have 33 inches tall. Measurements for the drain board itself, we have 24 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth. Drain board can be removed for cleaning. And located in the recessed area will be the main drain. And the bottom will be the spout where the water will fall through. So with the drain board inserted back into the recessed area, the water from your cups, mugs, and plates, all the water will fall through the main drain. Coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.